Hi, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. So today I have something that I'm going to be unboxing, which is I received this from the Mini. So it came in this Amazon, right? It ships in a bag in like the thinnest cardboard possibly ever made. But this came from China. It shipped Yanwen, I believe is what it came from. But anyway, shipped from China, handed off to USPS. They delivered it today. I've been waiting on this for about a month. If I remember it right, it was like 120 bucks for what's in this box. So what we have is more chrome removal bits for the interior of the Mini. So let's kind of take a look here and see. All right. So we have these rings, which are for the gauge cluster. We have this one, which should be the center radio piece. We have these. There's a couple different ones in here. So we have two smaller ones, and then we have 5 larger ones, but this one looks to be different than the other 4. So I think that these are vents. These two are probably the speakers in the doors. And then I think that this is for the shifter, like the ring around the shifter. So all of these have 3M tape on the back of them. This has a 3M, it's like a clear double-coated tape. This is like the normal, what you'd expect, the red coated automotive tape. They did give me some tape in the box. They also gave me a couple wipes, wet and dry, wet and dry. It looks like there's 4 of them here. And it looks like there is a plastic coating on the outside of these that it's warning you about on that piece of paper that needs to be peeled off because they're glossy black, but they don't look glossy. I will say that the plastic is very thin. I don't really think that that's a problem, it just is. So let's go in the car and we'll work on installing some of these and see what we can do. All right, so start off with this. So we have a single ring. I peeled off the white coatings. We're going to take our alcohol wipes. We'll open up our first pack. So there is a wet and a dry. If you don't have these, you can always use something like a CarPro eraser on a microfiber or any sort of like a prep spray. So there's the dry, and then this, I probably want to peel the clear first. Or at least get it started on one side, so there we go. So let's push this in like that. Interesting. So they don't fit the best. All right, so I just did a wrap of adhesive all the way around it. We'll see how this works out. All right, so that works. if you rewrap it with a little bit more adhesive. So at least they gave me the parts that I needed. It's not perfect, but it works. It fits well. It's not coming off, which is good. So let's take a look at this guy. So this should be the ring around my shift knob. And really, I bought this for two of these that I cared about. This, number one, and this, because this one's peeled all the way around it. So they were the ones that I was the most annoyed with. So that one's going to go there. That's an easy one. We'll get that installed. So I've got this one, and this uses the regular 3M red adhesive, which is much stickier. So that fits very well. Okay, so let's do a couple of the other oddball ones. I'm sure the speakers will be so there's a vent seems like it's going to fit really well, so that's good. All right, so here we have a vent. I pulled the off that, so that actually pushes right in and fits really well. So there's a black vent. There's before and after. I think that looks good. Same with the speaker. That's a before, that's an after. I think that looks good. We're going to have the chrome here for the buttons, but it kind of is what it is. There's really nothing I can do about those. The ring for the radio. Which has the kind of extra sticky 3M tape on it. So I'm just working my way around. Okay, so there we go on that. Sure it's kind of even all the way around. All right, so there's the center on the radio. So now I just have two more speakers and that vent, steering wheel center, and the two gauges in the back. So let's take a look at the steering wheel center next. All right, so there's the steering wheel, which is really the one that I was most concerned with. I think that looks good, especially with the piano black trims that I did from Kill All Chrome in the center. So then all that's left are the gauges. All right, so we're going to do this gauge as one piece, and then I have this semicircle for the other gauge. Okay. So there's that gauge. And then we just have the last speakers and the vent to do. So on this one, I removed it and I used the thinner tape, this white tape, because it had the red, which is a little thicker. I put the white tape on it, and it fits much better. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. So I've got the vents, I've got that. It's the dashboard. I think everything looks great. There's a back speaker so you can see what it looks like. I think that everything came out great. So I'll post a link in the description. It was a little pricey. One thing that I will say is the Amazon listing is for, it assumes that you have the 8-inch screen. If you have the 6.8, which is what I have, you have to email the seller when you buy it. So you buy it first, and then you shoot them an email and you say, hey, please send the 6.8-inch screen, and they'll update the package. They'll respond to you and update the package. At least that's how it worked for me. But, you know, it took a couple of weeks to get here, maybe close to a month to get here. Came from China. And I think that it looks good. I think that it improves things quite a bit. It'd be nice if somebody made ones for these and the buttons, but I'm kind of okay with like the little bits, this, the chrome buttons, you know, like they're, I don't know, it's kind of like a pilot cockpit-ish. There's a couple up here. But the silver just didn't make any sense. You know, there's a silver here, this is chrome, and this was like peeling, and this was chrome, and it was kind of peeling, and it looked crummy, and so I just think it's a lot better with the black. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day. All of those things.